Google Pixel release date. When is Google Pixel 3 out in the UK? Google Pixel 3 is the latest version of the Android flagship phone which is due to be released to the public later this year. When is the Google Pixel 3 out in the UK? Android fans don't have long to wait to get their hands on the new Google Pixel 3. The new flagship phone is rumored to be released in the coming months, with some massive upgrades on the Pixel 2. Rumors flying around the internet claim to know what the phone will look like and what it will be capable of, but Google is yet to confirm anything as of yet. Google usually releases a flagship phone around October, with the release coinciding with the launch of Android P. The Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL were announced on October 4, 2017, with pre-orders starting immediately afterwards. They began to hit shelves on October 17, so Android fans should expect to see the new Pixel devices announced within the same time frame. When is Google Pixel 3 out in the UK? Google is rumored to be releasing 2 new Pixel 3 phones in 2018, with the Pixel Watch also suggested for launch around the same time. Speculation started after Google released a public beta for the new Android P operating system, which is available for download now. Google has not confirmed any rumors as yet, though fans have attempted to work out a release date based on Google's previous launches. For the past 2 years, Google has unveiled the new phones on October 4, so this date is as good a guess as any. They will come with the latest version of Android, Android 9.0p, but as we saw in 2017, they may not be the first devices to ship with that OS. It will be a pure version of the software, running exactly as Google intends, with regular security updates dropping automatically. It is unlikely Google will reveal the Google Pixel 3 before October, but Google still may surprise us yet. What are the rumored features and specifications for the Google Pixel 3? The biggest rumor to emerge online is the new Google Pixel phones will feature a notch display and smaller bezels. Leaked images from Weibo suggest the Pixel 3 will have an XL counterpart, with both phones potentially featuring front-facing stereo speakers and dual front-facing cameras. Google knows its users don't want cut-down specs just because a phone has a smaller screen, so fans are expecting to see the Snapdragon 845 processor powering all Pixel 3 models. This is a 7nm chip that is faster and 30% more efficient than any before it, thanks to an octa-core Kryo 385 CPU with 4 2.8 GHz high-power cores and 4 1.8 GHz low-power cores. Qualcomm's new superfast X20 LTE modem is built in, offering Cat18 speeds of more than 1 Gbps, as well as an enhanced Spectra 280 image signal processor. Qualcomm has bumped up video recording potential to Ultra HD, and added in various AI improvements. Fans might also see the RAM boosted to 6 GB, while storage may stay at 64 GB and 128 GB. In other news, it was claimed recently that Google are also working on a mid-range Pixel 3. The news was revealed by respected tech tipster Roland Quant. He tweeted, "Off to Taiwan for at Computex_Taipei today, but here's a tidbit for you. Google is working on a mobile device based on the Snapdragon 710 currently scheduled for launch in the first half of 2019. Sounds like this might be the, or one of them, upcoming mid-range Pixel phone.